Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Hope you're having a good week so far. I'm just going to go ahead and point out, as I'm watching this back, I don't know what it is about my dress. I don't know if it's the speed on the video, but it's kind of trippy and I do apologize. It's like a stripe, really thinly striped dress. So anyway, hopefully don't focus on me, focus on what I'm doing because you might get like dizzy or something. Anyway, getting started by doing some laundry and going ahead and making the bed for the day. So I mentioned this in my previous post on Instagram. I like to start my laundry with my sheets and bedding because it's never fun to try to make the bed like later on in the day, like right before you're going to bed. So I always try to make that the first load of laundry on my laundry day. And I used to have my bedding day be like on Fridays, but I've just decided to do it all in one day. That way I don't have to think about laundry. There's only 2 of us, so there's really not that much laundry to do. But like I said, I try to get the bedding done so I can go ahead and make the bed in the morning before I do the rest of my chores. And I can't remember which follower it was, but they said, when are you going to do some cleaning videos? I know that's been like 2 or 3 months since I've put one out. I really just have to be in the right mood for it. But when I saw that request, I was like, you know what? I am doing some stuff around the house today. So let me just get out my tripod and film it as I go. So I do apologize for my appearance. I didn't really plan on filming today. So I can't be bothered with trying to look cute too. I have been on the lookout for some new bedding. I just really like the way that this duvet looks with our rug in here. So I don't know if I really want to switch it up because I love the pop of color it has. It's just subtle enough, not too bright or whatever. But yeah, I'm trying to look. I might just buy the same duvet from the Casa Luna brand at Target. Maybe just in a different color, but we'll see. So I'm just going to hit this room with a vacuum. Sunny likes to sleep under this bed sometimes. So I want to be sure to pull out everything and try to get under that bed as best as I can. And I will go ahead and try to link everything that I'm using in today's video as far as like our vacuum, cleaning products, all that good stuff in the description of the video. So all you have to do is pull down the menu at the very top and it should have a link where you can shop the things that I'm going to be using for cleaning. So the Roomba vacuum does go in here every day, but I just like to come in with a regular vacuum just to get things that might have missed and just do a deep vacuum of this whole room. So then laundry is never ending. I have 4 loads to do this today. So I'm going to get another load and turn that over. So while these 2 loads are finishing up, I'm going to run to the grocery store and pick up the groceries at Walmart and then bring you back and put the groceries away with you. Today it wasn't a huge haul. I didn't really get that much. Like I'm trying to just do like protein and vegetables, maybe a starch in there for dinners, but I got enough for 4 to 5 dinners for the week. And just some breakfast items as well. They were out of my stock cold brew, so I had to get Dunkin' instead, which I've never had before, so hopefully that's good. Now that the groceries are all put away, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this counter. Just using my DIY spray cleaner. It's water, rubbing alcohol, and just a few pumps of dish soap. So I just like to give the counter a good wipe down, especially after I just brought in all the groceries. And I noticed the trash was getting full, so I'm going to go ahead and take those out to the street and then come back and finish up cleaning the sink and the rest of the counters. Chris didn't know I was filming, so he probably just saw him like whiz by. He forgot I was filming, so he just walked right in front of my tripod, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray down my sink with a product from Clear called Active Clear. It has probiotics in it, so I like to leave it on there for about at least 30 seconds before I go in and scrub it down. And I like to keep a separate sponge for just cleaning the sink. That way I'm not using the same sponge for my dishes. So I keep that in my drawer, like away from the other stuff. So that way I know, like, when I want to clean my sink, I have a separate sponge for that. And if you'll notice, my kitchen is looking a little sparse. I'm trying to kind of like slowly transition into fall. So I don't have a lot on the countertops right now. I'm just kind of like letting it breathe and then trying to get inspired to maybe throw in some fall decor. So stay tuned for that. I just feel like I'm waiting for the weather to turn a little bit colder, because like today was like a high of 88. So I'm not quite there yet, but we'll get there. So I'd love to know, are you guys ones to like keep your appliances out, or do you like to put them away after you use them? I think the only one I have out right now is the toaster over here in the corner, since I do use it every day. But everything else I've kind of been like trying to just keep in the cupboard. That way it's a little bit easier to clean off my counters. I'm not like going around an appliance. Other than this one, we have our air fryer here in the laundry room because it gets better ventilation in here. So anyway, back to laundry we go. Also, if you love to clean, what is your favorite area to clean in your house and why? I'm gonna have to say I like cleaning our kitchen. Not particularly like after a meal or anything. That's kind of like a different kind of cleanup, but I do like having a fresh kitchen like to wake up to. So my least favorite is probably bathrooms. So let me know in the comments what your favorite place in your house is to clean. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm loving sleeping on silk pillowcases. Supposedly it's supposed to be better for your hair and your skin. So it doesn't cause any wrinkles, but I don't know if there's any truth to that, but it is definitely a game changer. So my last load is getting into the dryer. While that last load is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the den and just vacuum up in there. It wasn't too messy in here really. I think we only spent maybe Saturday in here watching football. So anyway, I just wanted to hit this with a vacuum and then I will be finished, other than vacuuming the laundry room. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you're made it this far, you're definitely a rock star. I always like to show the vacuum to like show y'all how much hair I get up. Having a cat, a long-haired cat, and a corgi, it's never ending for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit shorter than my normal ones, but I just wanted to show you kind of like my Monday routine. And if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave them down in the comments and I'll try to get to those as well. So I hope y'all have a great week coming up, and hopefully this offered you some motivation or inspiration to get your homes tidy and clean. Now off to do laundry. Thanks for flying by, y'all.